Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation English Level 2. My name is Juan Manuel Pardo Ayala. I am 37 years old. I am from Bogota and live in Bogota. I'm studying system engineer. I work for a agrochemical company. I have a 10 years old daughter called Manuela. I like play soccer with my friends. I traveled to Peru with some friends. I visited different places: Lima, Cusco, Ica, Nazca, Machu Picchu. I like Machu Picchu. It's wonderful. Peru is very interesting place where you can feed and very interesting and varied types of food. When we were there, we usually did not eat a lot because we did not have enough time, but we drink some beers. Recommendations. It is important that you wear sunglasses. It is a good idea to use a jacket. You should go to a museum in Cusco, visit Valle Sagrado, walk around Manta Lagoon, what you should do, love time, not even in the streets, take photos to the indigenous without their permission. The weather. The weather in Peru is variety, where you can enjoy a very good weather, come to a wonderful beach. You must eat Peruvian food that is delicious. In some of restaurants located in the beach, almost you can drink some pisco sour, a very famous drink there. It could be a good idea if you're sharing with your friends. Thanks.